Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
All
Look at
right.
the camera.
You okay,
Buddy.
baby?
Where is Michael?
He owes you.
I'm done.
Come here. Come here. Come on.
See, he doesn't want to leave
I don't
now.
want to leave you now. See?
He's like, I'll take care of you. It's okay.
So Lydia,
Now, wait a minute. Here, come here. Come here. Now, pet him. Pet him. Just pet him. Pet him. Pet him. Pet him. That's not going to hurt you. He's on me. Just pet him.
I feel like I'm in therapy or something.
Well, you are. You're with me. I'm your therapist.
Oh, George.
Come here, Miggy. Miggy, come here.
You're tough, though.
so Lydia,
What about you?
so how was therapy?
Force her like you forced me. No.
You too? You too? Somebody grab hold of
You're
her.
laughing at me.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Here, wait. Let me take a picture though. Watch out! Don't move! Don't move here. Hey, you did it to your sister. Now it's your turn.
Pet him. Pet him. Pet him. Pet him. Here. Pet him. Pet him.
Come on, Melly. This way.
No, he's not. Pet him. Pet him. Pet him. Like that.
I
There you
can't
go.
wait
Pet
to show
him.
you
Pet
these
him.
shots, bro.
Pet him. Pet him.
No.
Pet him. Pet him.
I don't want
Pet him.
to.
Hey, but you wanted your sister to.
Because it's funnier when she did it.
Oh my God! I'm so putting this on YouTube.
No shit.